everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you've been enjoying the inspiration for the brand new Not Too Shabby fall release. Today we're making a card with you, me, and pumpkin spice. I love this stamp set. I think it's so cute. But you can also make a pretty card with this stamp set. It doesn't always have to be cute, so I used some of the images to create a really pretty card. So here's another card that I did previously that's more cute. But today we're going to do some masking and we're going to use some pattern paper. I'm using some post-it note for my mask today. You can use any masking paper you wish. So what I'm doing right now is I'm cutting out my masks. I know I want these images to be in the front. So when you're masking, always remember which image is going to be front and center. That is the image that you'll stamp out first, put a mask on, and then stamp your image that's going to be behind it. So I knew that the cinnamon stick had to be in front of the cup, and the cup had to be in front of the pumpkin spray. But I also wanted that acorn to be in front of the pumpkin spray, so I went ahead and did the mask for that one as well. So after I stamp in the pumpkin spray, you'll see that the whole scene comes together once I take those masks off, and then it'll be ready to color. So here we are revealing what's underneath the masks, and I love how that turned out. Such a pretty little scene. I decided to ink up the Star Anise Spice stamp. I thought it would be really pretty for a backdrop for this card. So I'm going to randomly stamp that around the top of the card, leave the bottom white, and leave a space for my sentiment. I'm going to be using the You Had Me at Pumpkin Spice sentiment. So I'll finish stamping out my background. I'll play some music so you can watch the coloring, and I will catch you on the other side, and we'll finish up this card. I take our sprinkle stamp from our Pumpkin Spice Everything stamp set and use that to fill in the gaps between the Star Anise. I mat my card panel onto a piece of plaid pattern paper that goes very nicely with the coloring that I chose. And of course I had to sparkle it up, so I got my Spectrum Noir glitter pen out and sparkled up the flowers, the acorn, and the coffee. To finish up this card, I mat my card panel onto an A2 size folding card base. I add some sequins in a yellow color, and that will finish my card. I hope you enjoyed it. I think it looks really pretty and elegant, and I love how it turned out, and I hope you guys did too. And I'll catch you real soon in the next video. Thanks, guys.